Hey, it's awesome to see you here, ready to dive into the world of drawing. Whether you're picking up a pencil for the first time or just looking for some extra tips, I've got your back. So, let's break it down, step by step, so you can start drawing with confidence. Don't stress about being perfect. Every artist started as a beginner. Your first sketches aren't supposed to be masterpieces. Grab whatever you have, pencil, pen, even a crayon. The important thing is to start. Tip number 1. Practice basic shapes. Circles, squares, triangles. These are the building blocks for everything you'll draw. Spend a few minutes every day just sketching these shapes. It might sound simple, but mastering them gives you a solid foundation. Next up, lines are your friends. Straight lines, wavy lines, zigzags. Don't rush. Slow, steady hands make for better control. And if your lines get wobbly, that's totally normal. With practice, they'll get smoother. Now let's talk observation. Look closely at everyday objects, coffee mug, your shoes, even your pet. Notice the way light hits them, the shadows they cast, and the little details that make them unique. Try sketching what you see, not what you think you see. This will train your eye and make your drawings feel more real. Tip number 4. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Seriously, mistakes are your best teachers. If something looks off, don't erase it right away. Ask yourself what's different from what you wanted, and try again. Every sketch you make is a step forward. And here's a big one. Draw every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Consistency is where the magic happens. You'll be surprised at how much you improve just by making drawing a habit. Finally, have fun with it. Try doodling your favorite characters, or invent your own. There are no rules, just your imagination and your pencil. Don't compare yourself to others. Your art is your own journey. So to sum it up, start simple, practice shapes and lines, observe the world around you. Embrace mistakes, draw every day, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Grab your pencil and let's get drawing. If you want more tips, hit that subscribe button and keep creating. See you next time.